heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it.
Guess what? I'm flying in business class.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. My name is Bernhard Gekle. Together with my colleagues Alexander Haupt and Tim Guida and the entire cabin crew, I'd like to welcome everybody on board on this flight from Frankfurt to Bangalore.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take my day off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun.
First, let me just take off my seatbelt and get comfortable. Also order some food because I am super hungry. Even though in the menu you can see a lot of options, not everything was available. So I just ordered whatever was available, and the first thing I was really excited to try was obviously the champagne. Yay! This was my first time trying champagne and it was on flight, so I was very excited. So cheers!
Until dawn, music on repeat. You can beat this.
Here you can see me, trying to fix the lighting by opening and closing the windows so I can get good videos for you guys. So coming back to the champagne. The champagne was really good. I wish I could remember the name of the brand, but I don't. I'm really sorry about that. The roasted almond that they served along with the champagne was also good. Here I am just setting my table up to have lunch.
Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside.
The lunch here is a 3-course meal which consists of appetizer, main course and dessert. So the appetizer was pea mash with king oyster mushrooms, artichoke, parmesan cheese and olives, served along with bread. I love bread and butter. I can have it all day, every day. But the mushrooms, I think you have to develop taste to like it. I didn't quite like it, but it was alright. I had it, it filled my stomach, and also the view was really good. So I have no complaints about it.
Keep the free mind, yeah.
Now on to the main course. We had traditional roast goose with red cabbage and potato dumplings. This was really bad, guys. I just had one bite and I felt disgusted about it. I didn't like the meat at all. I just went on and ordered dessert. So for dessert we had two options. One was stolen mousse with plum compote, and then we had different types of cheese served along with crackers. Frankly speaking, I actually liked cheese with crackers than the dessert that I actually had. Since we were flying during December, they also gave us some chocolates, and these chocolates were really good.
I can't help myself. You like candy, you like
Okay, now let me give you a mini tour of my seat. So this is the travel kit that they provide. Along with that, they also provide you a bottle of water. You can always ask for more. I tried to film what's in the travel kit, but my GoPro died. But anyway, you have socks, lip balm, moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, all of that. I'm just taking off my shoes, and also they provide you with some slippers. So that's what I'm wearing here. They provide you with a soft pillow and a comforter so that you can sleep like a baby on flight. Towards your right side is where you can find the headset. The headset is quite good, it's comfortable, it has noise cancellation. It basically does its thing. This is the in-flight entertainment system, which is movable. To your left side is where you can find the tray, which you can convert into a table while having lunch or dinner. And also you can find the remote to control your in-flight entertainment system right there.
You like candy, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey, no, you like liquid honey, you like liquid honey, you like.
My dinner's finally here. Let me just quickly set up the table and start having dinner.
I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so.
The dinner was quite simple. As you can see, we had glass noodles with prawns served with bread and butter again. I really liked it. This tastes very, very good.
What would you like to drink? I think I'll have a champagne. Champagne, please.
The right vibes and the tan lines keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are.
So for the dessert, we had almond muffin served with some cranberry jam. This is really, really good. I enjoyed having this.
On and on, crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. 'Cause we got the sunshine of the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine of the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine of the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.